A single artillery system fires with deadly precision, relocates before enemy radars can react, and disappears like it was never there. No warning, no second chance. This is not future warfare. This is Israel's most advanced mobile howitzer, and it's already changing how wars are fought. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Imagine standing on a battlefield where the enemy knows artillery is nearby, but cannot find it, track it, or strike it back. That is the terrifying reality created by Israel's most advanced mobile howitzer. This system is not designed for slow, predictable warfare. It is engineered for speed, deception, and total dominance. Within minutes, it can deploy, calculate firing solutions, launch precision strikes, and relocate before counter-battery radars even finish processing the launch signature. This is not just artillery. It is a survivable strike platform built for modern conflicts where every second matters. Traditional howitzers relied on numbers and static positions. This system relies on intelligence, automation, and mobility. It turns artillery crews into hunters rather than targets. On today's battlefield, survival depends on movement, and this weapon embodies that philosophy perfectly. Enemies may hear the impact before they ever detect the launch. In an era where drones, satellites, and sensors dominate, this howitzer is designed to defeat them all through speed and smart engineering. What you're about to see is not just another weapon. It's a complete transformation of battlefield artillery warfare. Israel's mobile howitzer was born from hard battlefield lessons. In modern conflicts, stationary artillery becomes a liability within minutes. Adversaries now deploy counter-battery radars, armed drones, and real-time surveillance systems that can track a firing position almost instantly. Israel's answer was simple but revolutionary. Never stay in one place long enough to be hit. This howitzer integrates advanced navigation systems, automated fire control, and digital battlefield networks. Crews no longer rely on manual calculations or exposed observation posts. Instead, targeting data flows directly from intelligence assets, allowing near-instant engagement. The moment rounds are fired, the system begins repositioning. This shoot and scoot doctrine is taken to its extreme here. Mobility is not an accessory, it is the core of the design. Every component, from suspension to onboard computing, supports rapid deployment and escape. The result is an artillery platform that can strike deeper, faster, and safer than traditional systems. It reflects Israel's strategic reality: small territory, high threat density, and zero tolerance for slow reactions. This is artillery built for survival under constant surveillance. What truly separates this howitzer from older systems is automation. Human reaction time is limited, but software-driven warfare is not. The Israeli mobile howitzer uses advanced fire control algorithms that calculate trajectory, weather conditions, terrain, and target movement within seconds. Crews receive firing solutions almost instantly, reducing exposure time dramatically. This automation also reduces crew size, minimizing risk and increasing operational flexibility. Fewer personnel means faster training cycles and easier deployment across multiple fronts. The system can integrate with drones, radar units, and command centers, forming a real-time kill chain. Once a target is identified, the response is nearly immediate. This speed overwhelms enemy defenses and disrupts command structures. Artillery is no longer just support. It becomes a precision strike tool. The psychological impact is just as powerful. Enemy forces never know where the next strike will come from or where the launcher has gone. This uncertainty erodes morale and decision-making. Automation transforms artillery from a blunt instrument into a scalpel. Mobility defines survival, and this howitzer is built to move relentlessly. Mounted on a high-mobility chassis, it can operate across deserts, urban zones, and rough terrain with equal efficiency. Unlike tracked systems that require heavy logistical support, this platform emphasizes rapid road and off-road movement. That means faster redeployment between sectors and less vulnerability during transit. Strategic mobility allows commanders to reposition firepower based on evolving threats. This flexibility is crucial in asymmetric warfare environments, The howitzer can support ground forces, protect borders, or deliver deep strikes without being tied to fixed infrastructure. Mobility also complicates enemy planning. Predictive targeting becomes almost impossible when launch positions constantly change. Every movement creates uncertainty for opposing forces. In modern warfare, confusion is a weapon, and this system delivers it consistently. The battlefield becomes a chessboard where Israel always moves first. Precision is where this system truly dominates. Traditional artillery relied on saturation fire to ensure effectiveness. Israel's mobile howitzer prioritizes accuracy over volume. Advanced guidance systems allow shells to strike within meters of their intended targets. This reduces collateral damage while increasing mission success. Precision also means fewer rounds are required, improving sustainability during prolonged operation. Logistics chains remain lighter, and resupply risks are reduced. The system's compatibility with precision, guided munitions further enhances its lethality. High-val, targets such as command centers, radar sites, and armored formations can be neutralized quickly. This transforms artillery into a strategic asset rather than a tactical afterthought. Precision fire reshapes battlefield tempo, allowing rapid dominance with controlled escalation. It's a doctrine built for modern political and military realities. Survivability is engineered into every layer of this howitzer. Armor protection shields crews from shrapnel and small arms threats, while electronic countermeasures reduce detection risks. The system's low operational signature minimizes exposure to enemy sensors. Integrated warning systems alert crews to incoming threats, enabling immediate relocation. Survival is no longer reactive, it is proactive. This layered defense approach ensures the platform remains operational even in high-threat environments. Survivability also means endurance. The system is designed for sustained operations without constant maintenance interruptions. Reliability under pressure is critical, and this howitzer delivers it consistently. Network-centric warfare defines modern combat, and this howitzer is fully integrated into Israel's digital battlefield ecosystem. It communicates seamlessly with intelligence units, air assets, and ground forces. Data sharing allows rapid coordination and synchronized strikes. This connectivity shortens the sensor-to-shooter loop dramatically. Targets detected by one asset can be engaged by another within moments. The howitzer becomes part of a larger, intelligent network rather than an isolated weapon. This synergy multiplies effectiveness across all domains. It represents the future of joint operations. Psychological dominance is an often overlooked aspect of artillery warfare. This system delivers fear through unpredictability. Enemy forces cannot anticipate firing patterns or safe zones. The constant threat of sudden, precise strikes forces defensive postures and slows operations. This psychological pressure degrades combat effectiveness long before physical damage occurs. Warfare is as much mental as it is physical, and this howitzer exploits that reality fully. Fear becomes a force multiplier. Compared to global counterparts, Israel's mobile howitzer stands out for its balance of speed, precision, and survivability. While many nations pursue heavier systems, Israel focuses on adaptability. This reflects a doctrine shaped by real-world conflicts rather than theoretical scenarios. The system is optimized for rapid escalation and de-escalation, providing commanders with flexible response options. It fits perfectly into Israel's defense strategy, where readiness and speed are paramount. The future of artillery is not about bigger guns, it's about smarter systems. Israel's most advanced mobile howitzer represents that future today. It fires, moves, and vanishes, leaving enemies struggling to respond. This platform redefines what artillery can achieve in modern warfare. As conflicts evolve, systems like this will dominate battlefields worldwide. The era of static firepower is over. Mobility, intelligence, and precision now rule the battlefield. If you want more deep-dive military analysis and exclusive breakdowns of advanced defense systems, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with fellow defense enthusiasts. Stay informed, Because modern warfare never stands still,